Hey guys, good morning. This is Joey at Truck Market down in Memphis. I've got a 2021 Kenworth W990 Triaxle heavy haul to show you. I've got it hot, so I'm going to show you underneath the hood, oil pressure, do a full walk around, show you frame rails, tires, brakes, and finish up on the inside. This is built with a factory 605 Cummins, 2250 torque, 18 speed, 20 fronts, 20 drop, 46 rears, full lockers. So this is a monster of a truck. It's only got 182,000 miles. Go ahead and get started with a full walk around, starting underneath the hood. Super clean under the engine compartment. Dual steering gears. Frame rails are clean. Body and paint's exceptional on it as well. Fenders are in great shape. Paint overall is excellent. Just got the few little rock sections on the front. That actually was buffalo compound. So yeah, that's it. Other than a few chips on the front, that's it. Really nice on the fenders, the doors, the cab, all that's in excellent shape. This one does have a wet kit as well. No rock dings on the back of the cab. The reason a lot of people love full fenders, so you don't get that problem. New way air ride, nice long slide. Does have a pintle hitch set up back here. This is also disc brakes, so super nice add-on. All the aluminum's just been polished, frame painted, world-class detail. Got that one chip out of that moon fender there. Doesn't hurt the integrity of the rest of it, but just on the bottom part there. VIT interior. Nice matching leather seats as well. Floor's in great shape, dash, all that's really nice and clean. Love the smart wheel on these Kenworths. Control everything just at your fingertips there. Great low side oil pressure. There's your total miles, 182. Super responsive. Oil pressure starts to climb like it's supposed to. Guys, appreciate you watching. Got questions on this one or any other truck, feel free to give me a call, 901-896-4526. You can also email me to joey@truckmarket.com. Thanks for watching.